welcome to today's vlog. Today, me and my very shiny face are going to be doing a review and speed build of the Lego Brickheadz kitten and Shorthair Cat set. So this is 40441 in the Lego Brickheadz series, and they are number 120 and 121 in the Brickheadz collection. I absolutely did not know that there were that many Brickheadz, so there you go. So this set makes two Brickheadz. We've got the cat and the kitten, and there's also another set which is a pug and his baby. How cute is that? So this is aimed at ages 8+. I was trying to see how many pieces it has. It doesn't say. Unfortunately, if you're watching this and you are age 0 to 3, you cannot play with it, so I'm sorry about that. So yeah, this is what I will be building today. Now, I got this set as a gift from my husband. He bought it for me in order to soften the blow when he revealed all the Lego he had purchased for himself. So I'm going to go make that kit today. I have got some sustenance in the form of orange juice in this very cute Figaro and Cleo cup from Little Lilac Makes, and I'll link her shop below because these cups are amazing. And I have also got some Haribo gummy bears. So there's the instruction book, and there's all the Lego. Oh, and there is also a little packet of stickers which I'll put to one side to keep safe. So the first thing I'm going to do is open all the bags. Neil would have a bit of a fit right now because I'm not putting these Lego bricks into a nice container to keep them safe while I'm building. I'm just going to build it on the table. He would also tell me off because I say I'm going to play with Lego. You don't play with Lego, you build Lego, is what he would say. And quite often I read the instructions in the wrong order, or I do things incorrectly. And usually Neil would be here to fix what I have done wrong, but he isn't here to do that today. So hopefully, fingers crossed, everything goes okay and we can build this successfully. So the first thing I'm going to do is empty all the bags. So here we go. I've gone really wrong somewhat already. I've done this much and it's already wrong. I missed a whole piece off. I can't read instructions. I'm really stupid. Anyway, I think I've sorted it now. Carry on. I didn't have to start again. I think I worked out, I put something the wrong way round. So I think I've worked it out now, and I think I've worked it out now. I don't know. This is for children. This should not be this hard for me. I don't have that, I don't know, logical, methodical brain that can follow these instructions. It's kind of pathetic. Anyway, let's carry on. Neil has just WhatsApped me to remind me that the instructions aren't suggestions. Thanks, Neil. Oh, should that bit have been black or grey? Grey. Should have been grey. Alright. So there we go, that is the set completed. The only bits I've got left are the spare bits I'm supposed to have, so that's good. So what did I think? It's a really nice set. It's probably taken me about 30-45 minutes to do, and probably would have taken me a little bit less time if I hadn't have had to keep taking it apart to fix what I had done incorrectly. But yeah, it's a really sweet little set. There's like this extra, so this emblem that goes here, I think you can switch it for this other one. And in the picture it just sort of was loose, so I just stuck it on the top for safekeeping, but I think it kind of looks alright there. But yeah, this is a really nice set. It's not got that many pieces in, it's easy to do. If you didn't have long stupid nails, you'd find it a lot easier, I imagine. But yeah, overall I'm really pleased with this set. I don't know how much it cost. I think it's sort of the same sort of price as all Brickheadz are, so it's pretty much pocket money prices. And I think if you're looking for something cute for your kids, like a project to sit and do with your children, who are sort of at the Lego age, then this is a really good little project for them to do. And if they don't like cats, like I said, there is a dog version. As with all Lego instructions, if you're familiar with Lego instructions, the instructions are super easy to follow. It's all sort of step by step. The diagrams are really easy to follow, so they're really easy to do. And an ideal stuck indoors activity, I would say. So yeah, I'm really pleased with it. I would definitely, if you're looking for sort of a cute little Lego kit to do, this is definitely one I would recommend. I had fun doing it. I like cats. We used to have a British short hair called Lola, so this is sort of a nice little memory of her. She would have eaten it and knocked it on the floor and broken it, I expect. But there you go. So yeah, thank you to Neil for buying this kit for me, even if it was a ploy to distract me from all the Lego he bought for himself. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be back soon with another video.